Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something really exciting to talk about. The ECOTINYMACH tankless water heater, which we believe is one of the best hot water baseboard heaters available right now. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our in-depth product reviews like this one. Now, let's talk about the ECOTINYMACH tankless water heater. This compact and efficient unit is designed to provide you with instant hot water, and it's perfect for various applications, including under-sink installations. It's a game changer for those looking to save energy and enjoy hot water on demand. One standout feature of this water heater is its ability to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius temperature measurements. So, whether you're more comfortable with Fahrenheit or prefer Celsius, this unit has got you covered. Changing the temperature is a breeze with its LED display and remote control. You can easily set your desired water temperature for a customized experience. Now, let's talk about installation. The ECOTINYMACH tankless water heater requires a 110-volt power source and is designed for easy setup. However, we recommend that you seek help from a licensed electrician to ensure a safe and proper installation. One of the most significant advantages of this tankless water heater is its energy efficiency. It only heats the water you need when you need it, which can lead to substantial energy cost savings over time. And speaking of convenience, its mini size ensures it won't take up much space, making it ideal for smaller living spaces, like apartments or RVs. Now, let's address the question of water temperature. The ECOTINYMACH tankless water heater's outlet temperature depends on the inlet temperature and water flow rate in your building. So, it adapts to your specific needs and provides hot water accordingly. The best part is that you can get all these fantastic features for just $87.99. And, if you apply the $5 coupon available on Amazon, you'll save even more. In conclusion, the ECOTINYMACH tankless water heater is a fantastic choice for those looking to upgrade their hot water system, save on energy costs, and enjoy the convenience of instant hot water. Its compact size and remote control make it a standout product in the market. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, leave a comment down below. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.